Hello folks, Sam Owens here with a great little tool for around the house or the contractor that needs to take a short ladder in for inspection work or something. This is a 3-step folding ladder with a bar, extension bar, and we'll see the use of this and how to deploy it. I just wanted you to get a look at it on the workbench. Lambitos Ladder Pro. And I could see where contractors would really like this, but the homeowner, this is going to be a great one for them also. It has some safety features like these wide feet, rubber feet that are angled just perfect for when it's opened up to give you the most non-slip safety. And so that is a good one. And now we're going to put it on the ground and I'm going to open it up for you and we'll see all of the features here. Now, as I'm describing and showing up to the right, I'm going to display information about the product that will give you a lot more than I can actually spend the time to tell you about. So pause and read it. You're going to see the features as I show them. Now to open this up, take this, just pull it open, and bam, there you go. These are nice wide steps, also another feature. And they're coated with a grippy rubber. And look, I can go all the way up to the 3rd step. Let me move this camera up. Okay. All right, once I go up, and actually I can get up to this point. And if you'll notice, my knees are below this area, this top area, and it's locked, and I can brace against this. And I'm right up at the ceiling. I can do just about anything I need. And so you have also a place for tools. You can put that there, put your screwdriver. Maybe you need some electrical scissors. You could lay those in the tray. I have a meter, sometimes that's important. And also a tape measure. It all adds up to a really versatile 3-step ladder, folding ladder with a support for getting all the way up on the top 3rd step. Like I pointed out, these are much wider than a lot, and also the construction of the step is much thicker than the standard. Now I'll show you putting the ladder back into the storage position. Now to do that, it requires 2 safety catches to be released. First, these 2 at the top need to be released first. And you just simply either pull one at a time or both at the same time. I'm going to do both at the same time, and you'll hear a distinctive loud click. And this is the latching in the latch position here. That will move down. There, they both moved from the lock position to the unlock position. Now this can move down. Now before I move it down, I want to show you the other latch, which is going to release the steps while we got it in this position. It's up underneath here. And let me see if I can, right here, I'm showing that. When I pull this, it will allow this to fold up. I wanted to take the time to show that to you because you can't really see it. Okay, so now I have this unlocked. What will happen is you push it and it will go and you'll hear one click, and then it easily goes back to the storage position. Now up underneath here is the 2nd latch, which is going to release the steps to be able to be closed. So I pull up on that area I showed you. You can hear it clicking. And then I just pull back. Actually, you don't even have to hold that on your foot, because it moves right back with the weight of it. Okay, I'm going to do that one more time to show, deploying it. So, there. Very quick, one slick motion. Now, to store it, pull this, push down, grab under here, pull up. Is that cool or what? I'm going to show you the one way that you can carry this ladder without it trying to unfold, and I just discovered that. But you could use other things like a bungee cord to secure it if you want to carry it on the side like this. Okay? But if you want to carry it the way it's really designed, this handle right here will allow you to pick it up, and no danger of it collapsing out, because this is going to be against your body, and you can carry this to the location you need for a nice safe carry. And it's easy. It goes up against my body and won't come out. The 3-step is 8.9 kilograms of weight. Working capacity 375 pounds also. I'm ready to go. Folks, I want to thank you very much for watching my video. I'm going to like my ladder.